Is this all of them?
Yeah, I think so. I said, hey, and they said, and ran straight over to me.
So here is all of our new babies. Well, one's in the litter box right now. We're currently keeping them in River's room.
Oh my god. They're so cute.
I reinforced the walls and the roof, gave them some blankets, and made it a little hideaway.
I'm trying to feed the kitties so that they're coming out of the room, their designated room. I'm thinking about just letting them walk with me to the kitchen.